Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Low self-esteem can be defined as a lack of confidence in one's abilities, worth, and value. It is a common issue that many people struggle with. Individuals with low self-esteem often feel that they are not good enough or inadequate in some way. This can lead to feelings of inadequacy, worthlessness, insecurity, and even depression. Low self-esteem can majorly impact how people view themselves and their lives. It can lead to feelings of social isolation, reduced quality of life, or increased anxiety and depression. It can also affect decision-making, relationships, workplace performance, and mental health. Mental health professionals may use a low self-esteem worksheet to help individuals unpack their feelings and identify the root cause of their low self-esteem. This worksheet can help people become more aware of their feelings and behaviors and make changes to improve their overall mental health. To use our free low self-esteem worksheet, follow these steps. Download our low self-esteem worksheet from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Encourage your client to reflect on their strengths, weaknesses, and areas where they struggle with self-esteem. Use open-ended questions to help them respond thoughtfully to the low self-esteem worksheet's prompts. Review the low self-esteem worksheet with your client and discuss emerging difficulties or patterns. This review process will help identify triggers for low self-esteem and uncover growth opportunities. Encourage your client to use the worksheet regularly and track their progress over time. Reflect on the goals that are filled out in the Setting Realistic Goals table. This will enable them to recognize improvements and develop self-acceptance. Here is a sample of our low self-esteem worksheet, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our low self-esteem worksheet, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.